I'm Kurt with Infinity Cutting Tools. Today, I want to talk to you about the iVac automated dust collection system. Now, the iVac automated dust collection instantly makes your dust collection safer and healthier. We've all been there where we have one quick cut to do, so we don't bother turning on the dust collection system because we may have to walk across the shop, or just because we forget. It happens. We all do it. The iVac automated system makes it impossible to forget. It turns it on automatically whenever you turn your tool on. So this is a great feature to add to your shop. Now there's two distinct systems. There's the iVac switch box and then there's the iVac Pro system. So let me go walk you through which one and see which one's better for your shop. The iVac switch box is a standalone box that you plug both your dust collector and your power tool into. It's a plug-and-play system and works great for any tool hooked up to a smaller dust collector running at 115 volts and rated at no more than 6 amps. This box does not work with a 240 volt system. So the iVac switch box is the perfect accompaniment to our single tool systems that we have in our shops. Miter saws and router tables that are hooked to smaller dust collection units. This is perfect for that. It's also great to take out at job sites for our handheld routers or our small sanders, circular saws. That way, the end of the day cleanup's easier and we're not breathing in all of that dust. So the setup on it's very simple. You're simply going to plug in your machine and you're going to plug in your dust collector into this, then plug this into a receptacle. You need to make sure that you only use a 115 volt machine and a dust collector that draws less than 6 amps. Use on this is very easy. You're simply going to turn this on and the dust collection system will automatically come on. The dust collection is going to run for about 6 seconds after the machine is off, and that allows all of the dust and debris to get through the system. The iVac Pro system works with your 115 volt and 240 volt equipment and for shops with multiple power tools being served by the same dust collector. There are two main components to the iVac Pro system. There's the iVac Pro tool, which runs all of your machines, and the iVac Pro switch, which will run your dust collector. The Pro system will allow you to hook up 8 different tools to a single switch mounted to your dust collector. You can hook up 4 of these switches in your shop, allowing for a total of 32 machines to be automated to dust collectors. For some shops, you'll need to add a few extra components to your iVac Pro system. If your dust collector draws more than 8 amps, regardless of voltage, you need an iVac contactor. The contactor is driven by a 115 volt, 15 or 20 amp iVac Pro switch. The iVac contactor works for your larger dust collection systems up to 10 horsepower. If your tool runs on 3-phase power or is a 240 volt and draws more than 20 amps, you will need the iVac Pro Tool HP. Here in the Infinity Tool Shop, we run multiple machines off of a single dust collector. This lets us know instantly we need to use the iVac Pro system. The other thing is that our dust collector draws more than 8 amps every time it's powered on, and that tells us that we also need to have the iVac contactor. Now the setup is pretty simple. The dust collector runs through the contactor. The contactor is run by the iVac Pro switch. This one is the 115 volt, 15 amp. Now our machines all plug into an iVac Pro tool. Now the Pro tool will send a signal every time a machine is turned on to the iVac Pro switch, which will power up the dust collector. There's a 1.5 second delay upon startup of the dust collection. Basically, that's to stop any chance of an overload of a circuit. There's also a delay when the machine's turned off before the dust collection turns off, and that's to make sure the system is cleared of all of the debris. You can adjust that system, or you can adjust that delay on the iVac Pro system. There are 4 distinct settings: 0, 5, 15, and 45. Now, I'm going to turn this on and kind of show you how it works. You'll start hearing the dust collector kick on. Now when I power it off, there will be a few second delay before this shuts off. Should shut off right about now. So you can see how easy it is. You're never going to forget to turn on your dust collection again. It's automatic. Alright, so there you have it. There are no more excuses for having a dust-filled shop or breathing in those harmful small particulates. Let the iVac dust collection system automate your shop. We have the entire product line and you can also visit our website for more details to find out which one is right for you.